Day 1. Start speaking English with confidence.
Welcome to Speak English Confidently in 7 days. I'm so happy you're here. Over the next 7 days, Oliver and I will help you build your English confidence step by step. If you've ever felt shy, nervous, or afraid to speak, this series is for you. Today, Oliver will help you take your very first step, learning how to start speaking without fear.
Thanks, Emma. Yes, today is the beginning of something exciting. Most learners understand English but hesitate to speak. They worry too much about grammar, accent, or making mistakes. But real confidence begins when you stop worrying and just start talking.
That's right. Confidence doesn't appear overnight. It grows with small, daily practice.
Exactly. Start simple. Talk to yourself in English every day. Describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm walking to work. These small sentences train your tongue and your mind to work together.
And if you forget a word, don't freeze. Use other words to describe it. If you forget refrigerator, just say the place we keep food cold. That's natural, real communication.
Right. English is not about perfection, it's about connection. Even native speakers make small mistakes. What matters is that people understand you.
Let's listen to a short example.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I'm great. Thanks. I went for a walk this morning.
Nice. Was it sunny?
Yes. And it felt wonderful to get some fresh air.
See? That's natural conversation, short, real, and confident.
Exactly. Anyone can do this. Start small and do it every day.
Here's your day 1 challenge. Speak English for 5 minutes today. Talk to yourself, talk to a friend, or even record your voice. Don't think about grammar. Just focus on expressing your ideas.
You've just completed day 1 of Speak English confidently in 7 days. You've taken your first real step toward fluent English. Tomorrow, join us again for day 2. Think in English, not in your native language. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for your daily English boost.
Day 2. Think in English, not in your native language.
Welcome back to Speak English, confidently in 7 days. Yesterday, you learned how to start speaking with confidence. Today, Oliver will show you one of the most powerful skills, how to think in English instead of translating every word.
Thanks, Emma. You know, many learners can read or write well, but when it's time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because their brain is busy translating from their native language.
Exactly. When you think in English, your brain works faster, your words flow naturally, and your confidence grows.
Let's try it. Imagine you see rain outside. Instead of thinking in your native language and then translating, just think, it's raining. That's how fluent speakers do it.
You can train your mind to do this every day. Start with simple daily thoughts like, I'm hungry. It's time to study. I feel sleepy. I'm watching TV.
Right. Keep it simple. When you see something, describe it in English. If you see a cat, say, the cat is sleeping. If you're cooking, say, I'm cutting vegetables. If you're outside, say, it's a sunny day.
And remember, don't worry if it's not perfect. Fluency is about speed, not perfection.
Exactly. The more you think in English, the faster your brain connects ideas without translation.
Let's listen to a short example.
I'm walking to school. I see a bus. The bus is full of people. I feel happy because it's a beautiful morning.
See? That's natural thinking in English, no translation needed.
Here's your day 2 challenge. Spend 10 minutes today thinking only in English. Describe what you see, what you do, and what you feel all in English.
You're doing great. Every time you think in English, you move closer to fluency. Tomorrow, join us for day 3. Speak smoothly and naturally. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for more daily English learning.
Day 3. Speak smoothly and naturally.
Welcome back to Speak English. Confidently in 7 days. You've already learned how to speak with confidence and think in English. Today, Oliver will help you make your English sound smoother and more natural.
Thanks, Emma. Sometimes learners speak with long pauses, like, I want to go to the market. That's okay when you start, but now we'll make your English flow like music.
That sounds exciting. How can they do that?
Simple by using rhythm and connection. Don't stop between every word. Try grouping words together, like, I want to go to the market, or I'm going to watch a movie.
Yes. Native speakers often connect words. I am going to becomes I'm gonna. Want to becomes wanna. It's not slang, it's natural spoken English.
Exactly. And another tip, use short pauses naturally, not nervously. Pause after ideas, not every word.
Let's hear an example.
I'm going to the market today. Pause. I want to buy some fresh fruits. Pause. After that, I'll cook dinner for my family.
That sounds smooth and confident, like a real conversation.
Here's your day 3 challenge. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute today. Listen to how you connect your words and improve your rhythm.
Great job. Tomorrow, join us for day 4. Keep conversations going naturally. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for more English practice every day.
Day 4. Keep conversations going naturally.
Welcome back to Speak English, confidently in 7 days. You've already learned to think in English and speak smoothly. Today, Oliver will help you learn how to keep a conversation going easily and naturally, even when you feel stuck.
Thanks, Emma. You know, yesterday I talked to someone new, but after saying, "How are you?" everything just stopped. I didn't know what to say next.
That happens to many English learners.
Exactly. But good news, it's easy to fix. Conversations are like ping pong. You just have to keep the ball moving. The secret is simple. Ask follow-up questions. When someone answers, don't just stop. Ask something more. Show interest. Stay curious.
Let's try a short example.
So, Emma, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love watching movies,
Oh, really? What kind of movies?
mostly comedies. They help me relax.
Nice. Do you have a favorite one?
Yes, The Intern. It's funny and inspiring. See? That was a natural conversation. Oliver didn't use any difficult grammar, just small, natural questions that kept the talk going.
Exactly. And here's another trick. Use reaction phrases like, that's cool. Really? No way. I know. Right? These short expressions make your English sound friendly and alive.
Perfect. And there are 3 golden rules for good conversations.
Right? Rule 1, Listen more than you speak. Rule 2. Be positive and friendly. Rule 3. Share a little about yourself.
Let's hear how that sounds in a real-life example.
Hi, Emma. I like your new bag. Where did you get it?
Thanks. I bought it online last week. It was on sale.
Nice. I love finding good deals. What website did you use?
I used Trendy Shop. They have great prices.
Cool. I'll check it out.
That's exactly how a real conversation sounds: simple, friendly, and natural.
Here's your day 4 challenge. Have a short English chat today, maybe with a classmate, a friend, or even online. Ask at least 2 follow-up questions and keep it fun.
Even a short 2-minute chat builds your confidence. Remember, English grows when you use it, not when you hide it. Congratulations! You've completed day 4 of Speak English Confidently in 7 days. You're now learning the art of natural conversation. Tomorrow, join Oliver again for day 5. Build a confident English mindset. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for more daily English learning.
Day 5. Build a confident English mindset.
Welcome back to Speak English Confidently in 7 days. You've already learned how to start and keep conversations flowing. Today, Oliver will teach you how to think and feel more confident when you speak English.
Thanks, Emma. You know, confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you build every day. Even native speakers make mistakes, so don't worry if you do too.
That's true. Confidence starts in your mind, not in your grammar book.
Exactly. Most learners stay quiet because they're afraid of being judged or making mistakes. But let me tell you, secret mistakes are proof that you're learning.
Yes, every mistake is a step forward. The people who improve fastest are the ones who speak, not the ones who stay silent.
Let's imagine this. You're at a coffee shop and want to order a drink in English. Instead of overthinking, just go for it. Say, "Hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please." Even if you pronounce it a bit wrong. That's okay. You did it.
That small success gives your brain a confidence boost. The more you try, the stronger your English muscle grows.
Exactly. Confidence grows with action, not perfection. Let's go over 3 simple ways to build English confidence. 1 IR, speak a little English every day, even to yourself. Art, record your voice. You'll notice your progress. 3-point celebrate. Small wins, like finishing this. Day 5 lesson.
That's a great list, Oliver. And I'd like to add one more: stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone has a different English journey.
You're absolutely right. If you only focus on improving 1% every day, in 1 year, you'll be 365% better.
That's the power of small daily steps.
Here's your Day 5 challenge. Record a 1-minute audio talking about your day in English. It doesn't have to be perfect, just natural. Listen to it tomorrow and notice your confidence growing.
Amazing work today. You've built the mindset of a confident English speaker. Remember, you don't need perfect English to speak confidently. You just need the courage to speak. Join us tomorrow for day 6. Mastering English in real life situations. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for more daily English motivation and practice.
Day 6. Master English in real life situations.
Welcome back to Speak English Confidently. In 7 days, you've built confidence, practiced conversations, and changed your mindset. Today, Oliver will help you use English in real life situations, the kind you face every day.
Thanks, Emma. Many learners can speak English in class, but when it's time to use it in real life, boom, they freeze. But don't worry, today we'll fix that.
Yes, real life English is all about being ready for common situations like ordering food, shopping, or meeting new people.
Exactly. Let's go through a few examples together. Hi, I'd like a chicken sandwich and a bottle of water, please.
Sure. Would you like it with fries?
Yes, please. How much is it?
That'll be $6.50.
Thank you.
Simple and natural. You don't need fancy vocabulary, just polite, clear English.
Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $10. Do you want to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
Right over there.
Thank you.
See? Just small, confident sentences. That's real communication.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure. Go straight, then turn left at the traffic light.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's it. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be understood. In real life, people care more about your meaning than your grammar.
Exactly. And remember, native speakers speak fast, but you don't have to copy them. Speak clearly and confidently. That's what makes you sound fluent.
Here's your Day 6 challenge. Use English in one real-life situation today. Order food, ask for directions, or talk to someone new. Even a 30-second conversation counts.
You're almost at the finish line. You've learned to use English in real life, and that's where real confidence begins. Tomorrow, Oliver will wrap up the series with Day 7. Speak English anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for daily English practice and motivation.